to Speed Freak Garage, home of power sports on YouTube. We are here with the second in command of the E36 Mafia, Chris, who just completed his fully custom big turbo E36 build. Chris, how long did this take?
Too long.
Too long. Too long.
By the kit.
By the kit.
No matter how shit it is, or how garbage it is.
So Chris, what was your biggest challenge?
Trying to throw that massive turbo in the car.
So as you can see, the turbo doesn't really fit, but Chris made it fit. Anyway, stay tuned for the startup. Big turbo.
E36 Mafia.
Stay tuned.
Woo!
Alright. ECU is disabled. Oh, fuck.
3 days later.
You ready?
I'm not sure. Yeah, let's just do it.
Alright, do it. Ooh, hold on. Hold on, let's see what it says here.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
Okay, try again. I'll watch your AFR closer. Too much fuel?
Day 2.
Serial error. Unable to connect to the ECU.
Day 4.
Downloading data. File open. Do you wish to carry out a store command? Yes. Oh wow, that's completely different.
$12 midnight.
Fire it up!
$3:28 a.m.
Okay, we got the new tune loaded. Jesus Christ.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Alright, go. Big turbo.
E36 Mafia.
Stay tuned.